Best things to do in Prague for solo travelers. Prague is one of those cities that hits you with fairy tale vibes before you even drop your backpack. And as a solo traveler, you don't just visit Prague, you wander into your main character era. I know, because when I went, I did every one of these activities, and yes, they were worth every penny. Let's get into the best things to do in Prague when you're exploring alone. First, start with the Charles Bridge at sunrise. I know, waking up early on holiday sounds illegal, but trust me, this is the one moment in Prague where you don't have to fight 500 tourists for a view. The city feels like it's yours for a few minutes, and it's magic. Next, explore Old Town Square. I recommend people watching while pretending you understand the astronomical clock. I still have no idea how it works. It just looks ancient and expensive, and that's enough for me. Then, take a walking tour. I booked one when I went, and honestly, it was the best way to learn the city. Perfect for solo travelers because you instantly meet people without enduring the awkward "So, where are you from?" small talk at a hostel bar. After that, head up to Prague Castle. It's huge, it's dramatic, and if you're anything like me, you'll stop halfway up the hill pretending to admire the view when you're actually just out of breath. At sunset, hit a river cruise. When I went, this is where I fully unlocked the "wow, I really booked this trip alone and it's going great" feeling. Floating past the city with the lights turning on, absolutely worth it. Finish the night at a Czech beer hall. Even if you're not a heavy drinker, the atmosphere alone is a vibe. I sat there, sipping my beer like a medieval king, thinking, yep, solo travel was a good decision. And if you want to do any of these same tours or grab the best flight and hotel deals, everything's linked in the description. Make sure to subscribe for more solo travel tips, and I'll see you in the next adventure.